In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit template on ClickUp. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your account, heading to the right space, and customizing your template so it fits exactly how you work. First, open your ClickUp account. Use the web app or the desktop app, whichever you normally use, and sign in so you land on your workspace. Give yourself a moment to orient to the left-hand sidebar and the workspace name at the top. If you're part of more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one where your templates live. This avoids confusion later and keeps your edits in the right place. Next, click on the specific space where you have the template you want to modify. In ClickUp, a space is like a top-level container for everything related to a team, department, or project group. Selecting the correct space narrows the view to just the lists, folders, docs, and tasks that matter for this template. Take a quick look through the space structure so you remember how things are organized. If your template is associated with a particular list or folder, navigate there so you're right where the template is stored and used. Now you're ready to edit and customize your template. Open the template from within that space and begin tailoring it to your needs. Update the title and description so anyone using it understands its purpose at a glance. Review the structure. Make sure the sections, tasks, or pages included are the ones you actually want to repeat. If your template uses statuses, confirm they reflect the real steps in your process and remove any that create clutter. Check custom fields, priorities, and tags so they capture the key details you'll want every time. If the template includes assignees or due dates, adjust them so they're set up logically for future use, keeping in mind that placeholders often work better than specific names or dates. Look at any included views like list, board, or calendar, and arrange them in the order that makes the most sense for day-to-day work. Finally, save your changes so the template reflects your latest edits. That's it. You opened your ClickUp account, navigated to the right space, and customized your template to match your workflow. A few thoughtful tweaks now will save you time every time you use it. If you found this helpful, keep refining your templates as your process evolves and enjoy a cleaner, more consistent setup in ClickUp.